check it out. I got myself a new project. 2015 Honda Civic LX with some front end damage. I've fixed about 10 of these already. So I'm pretty familiar with everything that needs to be done and all the parts. So our main damage is the radiator support, which goes from that fender to this fender and around the radiator support. Around the radiator. That's welded in by spot weld, so I'm gonna have to take that out, put a new one in there, weld it in. Luckily, the impact didn't damage the reinforcement bar or the rails, the frame rails, so I don't have to worry about any of that. It didn't even damage this. I believe this is the apron. As you can see, this is the radiator support. It just bent it all back, but no airbags were deployed. So that's a good thing. The car, and as you can see, this already has some bondo of a previous repair, but we're gonna swap out that fender. And I already have the parts for it, along with other parts for 2 other cars that I bought. So we are gonna get started. All right, check it out. So I removed this section of the radiator support, and I didn't want to replace the whole radiator support, so I just took off that ear and the tie bar, and I kind of slapped it on here to see how things are looking like. And it seems like I'm gonna have to pull this section back about almost an inch, about 3/4 of an inch, and then from there I'll put everything on and see how it lines up, and then weld this piece on here. Earlier today, I had installed all the pieces, bumper, fender, grill, and make sure everything lined up. Took those pieces off and went ahead and got this welded. The support, the radiator support, that section, I got that welded on there. So it's just now I gotta grind this, primer it, and paint it, put everything back on, and we're good to go. Check it out. So I have those pieces painted. I put almost all the cables and all that accessory stuff back on there. I got my reinforcement bar back on there. I didn't bolt down the upper tie bar because I forgot to order these fans. As you can see, this one's broken here, this one's broken there. So I left the reinforcement. I left the upper tie bar loose, so when I get those fans, I could just move it out the way, and it'll give me more room to bolt those fans down. I just came back from a quick test drive. Car is solid, runs great. Everything is on there. The only thing I need to fix is the horn. For some reason, the horn isn't working, so I gotta check my connections, check the fuses, relays, all that good stuff, and see what's going on.
Brand new start of it in old New York.